Today's practical is of pharma engineering practical. Experiment number 4. The factors affecting the rate of evaporation, and the factor is concentration of the solution. Then the aim of the experiment is to study the various factors affecting the rate of evaporation, that is concentration of the solution. The materials required are beakers, 3 numbers of same size, evaporator, electronic balance, sodium chloride, etc. The materials required are electronic balance, beakers, 3 numbers of difference of the sample to be taken are of 2%, 4% and 6%. Sodium chloride solution, this is the sodium chloride, and this is the distilled water, and this is the measuring cylinder. 10 ml distilled water were taken. This is the evaporator. Now we are going to weigh the sample, that is sodium chloride, for 2%, 4% and 6%. This is the 0.2 gram, the first sample. This is the second sample of 4%, that is 0.4 gram to be taken. This is the 0.4 gram. Then the third sample will be taken, that is 6% of 0.6 gram to be taken. This is the third sample of 0.6 gram. Now all the ingredients are transferred to the beaker. Now 10 ml of distilled water was added to each of the beaker containing sodium chloride. This is the first one, 10 ml of distilled water. This is the second one, 10 ml distilled water was added. This is the third one, 10 ml distilled water was added. Then the sodium chloride was dissolved properly by mixing with a glass stirrer. Sodium chloride solution was made by proper stirring. Now the solutions were prepared of different concentrations. Now we are going to weigh the initial weight of all the 3 beakers. This is the first one. This is the second 4% beaker. It was also weighed. Then this is the third beaker containing 6% solution was also weighed. This is the initial weight. Now we are going to heat all the 3 beakers containing sodium chloride solutions of different concentrations on a evaporator for 10 minutes. So at first we are going to start for 2% beaker. Here the area will be same and temperature will be same and time of heating will be same, that is 10 minutes. Now it was heated up to 10 minutes, then it was removed from the evaporator and taken for final weighing. Before that you have to wipe up the moisture outside of the beaker. Again it was taken for weight. This is the final weight, and the final weight was written. Now we are going to start the second sample, that is 4% sample. Again it was heated up to 10 minutes with same temperature. Now it was heated up to 10 minutes. I removed this and the moisture was wiped out with a filter paper properly. Now we are going to weigh the second beaker of 4%. This is the final weight. Now we are going to start the third beaker containing 6% sodium chloride solution. It is also heated up to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we will remove this, and again the moisture was wiped out with a filter paper. Now this beaker was also weight. This is the final weight for 6% solution. It was weight, the final weight of 6% solution. Now all the weights were written on the tabulation of the lab manual. This is the serial number, then concentration of the solution 2%, 4%, 6%, time taken for heating in minutes, that is 10 minutes for each beaker, the initial weight of the beaker with sample in gram, then the final weight of the beaker with sample in gram, then the change in weight difference. This is the subtract the initial weight minus final weight. Then rate of evaporation will be determined by gram per minute. Then a graph will be made by taking the concentration on x-axis and the rate of evaporation gram per minute on y-axis. Here the conclusion will be when the concentration of the solution increases, the rate of evaporation decreases. Hence the rate of evaporation is inversely proportional to the concentration of the solution. Now this particle was completed.